Well, you could say that, farmers are getting this back. If anybody takes a seat of and about the food, because of the bottle, starting to ship it. When you put it in the is this food that you're going to put it in for the food? Or to put the food up for the eating the whole ship about the supposed to be what is it? A lot of it is not so they don't go up to the food. So that's what they put up with them. This is the food. So,